Krishna ji is one of the most revered deities in Hindu mythology, celebrated for his wisdom, compassion, and divine playfulness. He is regarded as the eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, who descends to earth to restore balance and righteousness. Krishna's life is filled with extraordinary events, from his miraculous birth in a prison cell to his childhood adventures in Vrindavan. His teachings, particularly those found in the Bhagavad Gita, have inspired millions and continue to guide spiritual seekers around the world. Krishna's divine role encompasses being a protector, a friend, and a guide, making him a central figure in countless stories and traditions within Hinduism. In the final chapters of Krishna ji's life, a series of tragic events unfolded, deeply rooted in the aftermath of the great Kurukshetra war. Gandhari, grieving the loss of her sons, placed a powerful curse upon Krishna, holding him responsible for the devastation. She foretold that his own clan, the Yadavas, would face ruin. Over time, internal conflicts and misunderstandings among the Yadavas escalated, ultimately leading to their self-destruction. This period marked a turning point as the once mighty dynasty was brought to an end. These events set the stage for Krishna's own departure from the mortal world, fulfilling the prophecy and Gandhari's curse. Krishnaji's departure from the mortal world holds profound philosophical and spiritual significance within Hinduism. It is seen not merely as the end of a divine incarnation, but as a reminder of the impermanence of all worldly forms, even those of avatars. According to Hindu beliefs, Krishna's exit marks the conclusion of the Dwapara Yuga and the beginning of the Kali Yuga, symbolizing the cyclical nature of time. Spiritually, his departure teaches detachment and the importance of fulfilling one's duties without attachment to outcomes. It also reinforces the idea that the divine remains eternal, transcending physical existence. Through this event, devotees are encouraged to seek the eternal truth beyond the transient material world. The legacy of Krishnaji endures as a guiding light for millions around the world. His life and teachings continue to inspire devotion, compassion, and the pursuit of righteousness. The circumstances of his death remind followers of the impermanence of the physical world and the importance of detachment. Through his actions and words, Krishnaji emphasized the value of selfless service, inner strength, and unwavering faith. For devotees, his journey serves as a profound lesson in embracing both joy and sorrow with equanimity. Ultimately, Krishnaji's story encourages all to seek truth, uphold dharma, and cultivate love and wisdom in their lives.